Hi Math 210B students, it's Professor Gina sitting in my home. As you can see, I've got a soccer ball behind me and various books and things. This is going to be our new normal, so I wanted to check in with you and make sure that you're all doing well. I hope everyone is healthy, and I wanted to show you a few things that you're going to be using as we're moving forward in this online capacity. I'm going to go into our Canvas page and show you a couple of things that I've added. First of all, I added a link to my Zoom room, which is going to be the new way that you can ask questions during our class time. If you click here, it'll take you to when I'm casting through Zoom, you'll be able to see me and ask me questions, and we can talk to one another if we need. That'll be strictly optional. It'll take place during our class time. So if you have any questions, that's when you can get in touch with me. Also, within the modules, I have added some support videos because I won't be able to give as many lectures, and so I have some videos down here that I found on Khan Academy. I'll also be adding some of my own videos. One of the most important things for you to take note of is that assignments now will all be taking place online. And so right now I've put another project for you to do, which will be due this Friday. It's just a short paper writing about what it's like, or what you think it would be like, to be an elementary school teacher if you had to teach online. And in this capacity, I want to show you what it looks like, because now you'll be uploading your documents through Canvas, and so I want to give you an example of what that will look like. I'm going to go to a different shell so I don't mess up what we have in our class. I have a fake one over here. And I'm going to click on the student view so it'll look the same as it does when you're in Canvas. If I click on assignments here, I can also see them on the right hand side. I have this sample assignment that I created. And this will be how you submit your classwork, and then also how you submit any of your projects. When you have something ready to submit, you hit the submit button, and down below here it'll let you browse your computer and grab whatever file you want to upload. A PDF, a document, a picture, whatever it is. And then once you add that file, you can hit submit, and then it'll be sent to me. I'm sure there will be a number of questions as we move forward, so feel free to reach out to me via email or send me a message through Canvas, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Everybody be safe and have a good day.